TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 113. You get the Nasdaq up 47. S&Ps are up 13.5. Gold contracts down $1.40, trading at $1,266 an ounce. We have silver up 22 cents, $17.71 an ounce. Platinum's up $10, $9.43 an ounce. Copper market's flat at $2.09 a pound. A light sweet crude, you have it down 54 cents a barrel, $50.33 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note, down 3 ticks, 130.08. 30-year bond off 8 ticks, 164.17. Both the notes and the bonds, folks, rejected the lower price last week, got inside the higher range. Notes and bonds want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar's down 26 ticks, $98.66. Bottom line, King dollar is an confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Took the B point out, took it out with volume. You get a price projection of 100.770. Bottom line is that we'll see what it does when it's up there, because of the fact that this has been like a 2-year consolidation, and it's going to go after those highs. You break those highs in King dollar, and watch out. That'll be $1.20 in King dollar. Euro. The euro is trading at $1.08, and the yen is out here at 104.18. We go over and we take a look at the SPY. What you're looking at is this. SPY on Friday actually went to a lower low with volume. You're up $1.20 right now. You're coming into the downdraft that was created out here on the 11th of October. The high of that is $215.74, and I expect that's what we're going to go after. I don't see it going after the downdraft of September 9th. Which that was a benchmark that I was using in the last few weeks. That is where we gapped down from. That would have been 217.03. Dow Industrials. What do we have with the Dow Industrials? Dow Industrials, we're up $1.03. What it's trying to get into is 18,312. We got to 18,275. And what I expect you're going to see here is that this is going to be a contraction of volume versus how we went down on Friday. Bottom line, this market wants lower price. And what's it all about this week, folks? All about the NDX 100 as well as the NASDAQ Composite. The NDX 100 right now is trading at 48.94. 49.04 is the high. It's going to go for this high. The Composite, we go take a look at the Composite. Same type of setup in the Composite. You're up $45. You're at 53.03. The high it's going after is the 53.40. 53.42 would very well could happen out here. We have Apple coming out with earnings tomorrow. That doesn't look that great, but Amazon and Google look pretty good. So bottom line, they just may ring the top, folks. They'll gap over the highs of the NDX 100 NASDAQ, and we'll see if they're going to ring the bell. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here couldn't hold the 1269, couldn't hold it last week, couldn't hold it this morning. You hit 1272. Right now you're at 1266. Gold's building costs, you get down to the 1243, and it looks to me like the way the dollar wants to run, gold wants to run to 1207. Silver, same type of setup in the silver market. What we have with silver right now got to a price point today of $17.89. It got back inside the range once again, failed once again. So what does that set up? That sets up a silver market that wants to run down to $15.95. Bonds. We go take a look at the 10-year bond. What we have with the 10-year is this. The 10-year bond right now, 10-year bond is trading at a price point, 10-year note is trading at a price point of 130.06. You're backing down with lighter volume. Bonds, notes want higher price, and it's all about King dollar, folks. King dollar is at 98.670, and King dollar wants to go for this 100.770. And if we get up to that level and you have force, get out of the way, because that King dollar would go to $1.20, which is just wreak havoc in all the markets. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking. I'm right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.